This has got these big bezels, not really looking good, and also the chin bezel is also very bigger than the side bezels, and the camera notch is also pretty old. Nowadays you don't get this camera notch. Then why do we need a review of this phone again? Then the short answer is the specs and the budget and the cost. This is a Samsung M15 which costs 11,999 rupees. It's a prime edition, but the specifications are next level. This is Samsung M15 which has got this 6.5 inches Full HD plus AMOLED display. We'll get to the refresh rate later in this video. And back it has got this glossy premium back panel with the shiny squarish design which looks awesome in hand. And the second major feature which I really liked is the battery. The battery is 6000 mAh battery. The battery and the heat management is which is insane. It lasted me more than 2 days with the normal usage. If you are a heavy user, definitely you will get more than 1 day usage, and this is 6000 mAh battery. And I have got this Samsung A35 which costed me around 29,000 rupees, but both the battery and the heat management is very pathetic. This Samsung M15 comes with MediaTek 6100 plus, which means this is a 5G phone under 12,000 rupees. Octa-core processor, you don't even realize you are holding a budget phone under 15,000 rupees while playing games and doing multiple tasks and opening multiple windows, working with multiple windows. You will get that smooth and performance doing pretty decent job. It has got this regular 50 megapixel primary camera and 5 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel macro. The photos are really nice, and the night photography is too good to the budget. And also on the front you get this 13 megapixel selfie camera, portrait shots. It is really hard to believe that this phone has got support of max 90 Hz refresh rate. If you look at the smoothness in while scrolling, the way icons settle after they are minimized, and this gives me a flagship experience. And also the Samsung M15 comes with 4 years of OS upgrade, means Android 15, 16, 17, 18. The cost is 11,999 only, and you get 5 years of security upgrades absolutely free. And the list is not yet over, and it has got this 3.5 mm jack, and nowadays you don't see those 3.5 mm jack. And also it has got two sims, one hybrid slot for a second sim and SD card slot which supports up to 1 TB. And also it has got this fingerprint sensors with the power button, and also you can customize double press power button option which you can use it to open the camera or any app you wish to open quickly. This has got this voice focus mode in mic mode to reduce unnecessary voice while you are in the call. And nowadays the buzzword is artificial intelligence, AI, and this has also got artificial intelligence through Gemini, and we have tested many times running Gemini in this, and you don't feel heating issues. The Gemini runs and it performs the task very smoothly and the quickly result oriented. Create wake up alarm 6 a.m. tomorrow.
Okay, your alarm's set for 6 a.m. tomorrow.
Can you create a cat riding a Porsche on the moon?
Sure, here is an image of a cat riding a Porsche on the moon.
Can you make it a bit colorful?
Sure, here it is.
And also it has got this live transcribe which transcribes your languages, and as it supports multiple languages apart from English like Hindi and Telugu, and you can use these in this 11,999 budget phones. And also I forgot couple of things, that is it supports up to 800 nits of brightness, and even in the sunlight also it works very good. And also it supports 25-watt fast charging. So it is available in three colors, that is blue, dark blue, and the gray. And that is Samsung M15, which cost you 11,999, and the link is in the description. And also I would like to hear your comments. If you are already using Samsung M15, please let me know your experience in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.